Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's Mitsubishi Outlander, full guide. Start by parking on level ground facing a flat wall about 10 feet away and set the vehicle to normal ride height. Turn the headlights on low beam and mark the wall with tape at the headlamp centers. Measure from ground to center of each headlamp and note distances for alignment checks before making adjustments. Locate the vertical and horizontal adjustment screws on each headlamp assembly by opening the hood and inspecting behind the lens. Use a flashlight if needed to clearly see the screws and test small turns to confirm which screw moves which axis. Keep a rag handy to protect paint while working and avoid forcing screws to prevent stripping. Work on one headlight at a time so you can compare changes as you adjust. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup and part storage easier when you work on your Outlander, and they fit neatly in a shop bag. They are great for keeping bolts and snacks separate and spill-free. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Turn on low beams and sit in the driver's seat to center the steering and suspension. Use the vertical adjuster to lower or raise the beam until the top of the cutoff meets the wall tape mark. Then use the horizontal adjuster to shift the beam slightly right of center for oncoming safety. Tighten screws gently, recheck alignment, and take a short low-speed drive to verify proper illumination and no glare for other drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.